Hi, so hello everyone. Welcome to Office Adding Community Call of October. And today it will be a very quick call, and we only have one topic on the agenda: is install the JS adding together with main app and COM add-ins on Win32. And the presenter today will be Skylar Pan, who is a senior project manager of Microsoft. So now I'm giving my screen to Skylar, and I'm going to turn the slides for you so you can.
Thanks, Mingjia, for the quick introduction. And as Mingjia mentioned, today we are going to announce like a new coming capability for allowing developers to integrate the installation of JS add-ins together with your main apps or COM add-ins or with any other flows you can integrate into on Win32 operating systems. And for today, I will have first to quickly introduce the new capability and user flow, and the second part is to have a quick introduction about like what are the main work item for developers to do to integrate this capability. And the last, don't worry that for the like very short introduction, we will invite you guys to register for a one-on-one meeting if you are interested in these capabilities, and then me and our engineers will schedule a one-on-one meetings separately with you guys and to help you and assist you to integrate the new capabilities. And first, the new capabilities is that we heard from developers for a very long time that it is a very pain point that JS add-ins distributions is like a very challenging stuff for you guys. And either for end users, when they buy some services, they cannot install it together with the main applications. And also for existing users, it's hard. They need to like search from the app stores and install in a separate flow. So now we have this capabilities that when user download or upgrade developers published JS add-ins through your official website or anywhere else, then the installers can integrate this JS add-in together, and then with the user's consent, they can easily install it together, and the add-ins will be automatically installed to the WXP app, host app. And for the experience, we provide like two different branchings. Since the user consent is very important during the whole experiences. So we will have like a silent install or a consent install. If you guys are interested to have the end user to have a silence install, which means they do not need to click an extra step in the WXP host apps to consent and install again, and just to install it like smoothly together in the add-in or main apps installers, then we call it like silence install. If you want that experience, you can join our Microsoft 365 certification program, which I will introduce it later in this presentations. And after you join this certification programs, our system will check your authentications while the end users are downloading and installing the main apps, and if all the authentications have been approved, then the end users will see the silence install. But if you think this certification program is like too much, or it may take some time for you, and then you want like as quickly as possible to integrate the capabilities, then we will have like the consent install, which means when the users next time they visit WSP, they will see a pop-up windows there, and then they need to like consent again to install the JS add-ins. And this is like a very high level introduction about how the end user's experience will be. And the next part, please, Mingjia. And yeah, as for the developers' work, there's only like very simple experience for you. First step one is just like code works. You may will have some sample code there, and you can follow the sample code and integrate it to your installations kit. And yeah, also our engineers can help you guys to for the entire process if you face any problems or bugs. And step two is the Microsoft 365 certification programs, which I introduced a bit before. And as for these programs, it is like an extra authentications program, which is just to validate the authentications or trust levels of developers. And then after you join these programs, you will have some extra authentications. And for the adding experience itself, you can just leverage the silence install, but the program itself will include a lot of perks or capabilities you can leverage if you are interested in these programs. And you can like also register our one-on-one sessions, which is in the next slide. Yeah, in the next slide we will have like a QR code, and I will also put the register forms link to the chat. And if you are interested in that, we can talk more that one-on-one with you in that meetings that will be like more efficient. Yeah. Yeah, and that's basically the capabilities we are going to release in this quarters. And now we're in the stage for some like invited partners or developers for the internal testing, and we will have like a one-on-one assist sessions with you guys. And we will also like hear some feedback from you during this period of time. And these features will be officially released to market by the end of November, I think. Yeah. Yeah, sure. I can provide the URL to the chat. That's all for my topic today.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Okay. So I think if you have more questions, you can just put the questions into the chat channel, and Skylar would answer those questions there. Thank you. And for next part today, we don't have any questions in the survey link, so we will skip this Q&A part. And still, if you are new to Office add-ins, here are some useful resources that you can check to get started. Here is our documentations, our quick starts to the Outlook, Excel, Word, and PowerPoint add-ins, and also the script lab to try some code snippets. And also you can check our code samples at these links. And also you can join the M365 developer program. Right. And also, if you miss some questions when you develop an Office add-ins, you can always reach out to our teams through all these channels. For example, if you have some technical questions about Office add-ins, like how to implement a feature, you can go to these two links to ask the teams about the questions. And also, if you encounter some bugs and also you have some ideas or some new feature requests, you can go to these two links to report a bug or report an idea there. And also here are all the links across M365 developer community. So they have different capabilities presented in the different calls. So if you are developing some solutions related to these different capabilities, please feel free to check these links and see if there are some helpful resources in that course. And yeah, I think that is very quick call today, and we can give back the time to everyone. So we will see you next month. Thank you for joining, and the next call would be November the 13th and the same time. All right, bye-bye.